Hi everyone, I'm Sam and I work in the writing studio here at MCLA. So today I will be showing you how to make a synchronous video appointment through the writing studio and also how to use some of the features on the synchronous video page. So the easiest way to get to the writing studio site is through your portal page. Under the Student Academics tab, you click the link to the writing studio. That brings you to our main page, which has information about what we do and the different types of appointments we have. For example, this video will be focused on synchronous video tutoring. And at the bottom, it includes our different hours for each day we're open, where we are, Murdoch 120, as well as different links of resources and who we are. So the easiest way to schedule an appointment would be the button here. And from there, it takes you to the WC Online login page. So if you don't already have an account, you can register for one really easy. You fill out your information, your name, your A number, your year, things like that, create a password, and set email notifications. I would recommend setting email notifications so you can know when appointments are modified, canceled, etc. And from there, you would complete registration. Since I already have an account, I'll just log in here. So this brings you to our scheduling page. And for each day of the week, as you can see, it shows the full week on the whole page here. On the side, it will show the name of the associate and what type of appointment they have. So as you can see, we have asynchronous, synchronous, and face-to-face pretty much every day that we're open. And the white boxes will represent open appointments and colored boxes will represent booked appointments. So for the purposes of this video, I've booked an appointment with myself to show synchronous video tutoring, and it will bring you to the appointment form. I've already filled it out, but if you didn't, it would look something like this. You would fill out the information here. So for example, the class that you're bringing an assignment in for, the professor, your first language, your current standing, and you can also choose to have us send a report to your professor detailing what we worked on. It's basically just a little note letting them know that you came in and what specific things we addressed with the assignment. And then your pronouns, as well as this box here, is super important. Basically, here is where you explain what things you want to work on the most or what things are most important in terms of the appointment that we're going to have together. And just a couple of things. It doesn't need to be an extensive list, but being as specific here as possible is really helpful for us. And then below that is where you would upload files. So you can open your computer's library and drop those here. For example, you could upload your draft or your outline, whatever you have, as well as the assignment prompt. That really helps us to get some context of what we're working with. And then from there, you would book the appointment, which that button would be down here. And then it would come up like this, already filled out. You would get an email confirmation if you have those turned on when you made the appointment. And from there, when it's time for your appointment, you would come back here, and this box right here where it says join online consultation, you would click that button and it would bring you to this. So as you can see, this has a video function. You can see me in the corner here, as well as a mic function. If you don't have a camera, you can just turn it off, or if you prefer not to use it, that's perfectly fine. On the side here, there's also the chat function, so we can communicate here live. For example, if I just send a message, it comes up with your name and what you typed. And basically, this dock in the middle here is where your draft or whatever you have would be uploaded. So if I type something on here, it would be in pink. And then if you type something, it would be in a different color, just so we can keep track. And this is where we could work live. We could be communicating at the same time while also typing on here. So this is a way to collaborate directly at the same time and be able to ask questions in a way that asynchronously we're just sending it back to you, or face-to-face, obviously, this is through an online format. So whatever works for you is good for us. And I hope that this video helped you in terms of what a synchronous appointment will be like. And I hope to see you all in the writing studio soon. Thank you.